Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a custom art brush for drawing in Adobe Illustrator. And let's go. Launch Illustrator and click Create a New. Choose any document preset you like. You can adjust the preset details the way you want, but it doesn't matter. Click Create. Now you have this white artboard to draw on. OK, turn off the Fill tool and activate the Stroke tool instead. Right-click on Rectangle tool to see other tools in the drop-down menu and then click on Line Segment tool. The shortcut is the # key on your keyboard. Hold down Shift key and draw a horizontal line. Increase the stroke weight to 2 or 3 points. Select Width Profile 1 in the Variable Width Profile box. In the Brush Definition box, click on New Brush. Select Art Brush since we'll use mouse to draw and press OK. Here in the Art Brush Options tab, just make sure that Stretch to Fit Stroke Length is checked and click OK. Now click on Paintbrush tool and try to draw on the artboard with your new brush. Awesome, right? You can also increase the stroke size whenever you like.